Coach Tony, over 50 men's fitness. And I've got a good one for you today. And it's titled Arm Growth Protocol that signals human growth hormone for men over 50. Now, if your arms aren't growing the way they used to, it's not necessarily just your age. It's also the signal. You see, after 50, your body needs stronger metabolic stress to activate hormones that support muscle growth. And one of the simplest ways to do that is to train past the burn intelligently. And here's what I mean. This is the rule. When the burn starts, you need to perform 3 to 5 more clean reps. Not sloppy, not bouncing, but controlled tension. Those final reps increase lactate, improve circulation, and send a growth signal your body can't ignore. Now, let's be clear. This doesn't magically restore teenage hormones, but it does improve the internal environment your body needs to preserve muscle, support fat loss, and recover better after the age of 50. Now, you can use resistance bands, body weight exercise, or in some cases, light weights. But you want to work in the 12 to 20 rep range. And when the fatigue hits, when you start to feel that burn, add 3 to 5 controlled reps. Now, using this method, you can train arms 2 to 3 times per week. Why? Because it's simple, it's joint friendly, it's powerful, it's effective, and it works for stimulating human growth hormone. Now, if you want more smart training for men over 50, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I even go into more techniques, strategies, and tips on my free Skool. This is a free community for men over 50, and I would encourage you to join. Link is in the description. Coach Tony, over 50 Men's Fitness, signing out.